Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can create a donut chart in Power BI. A donut chart is very similar to a pie chart. It just has space in the middle, but it serves the same purpose. So to create the donut chart, first you will go to the visualization and we will click on donut chart here. Drag it in the middle. Now here are the fields that we can populate or we have to populate. So first is the legends. I already have my data which is of projects maintained. So for the legend, let's add the status. I will drag the status here. See, okay. In the values, I want the number of projects. So project name or project ID, which will give us the count of each. Now you can see that it is created. We will see how we can further format it. You can also add further details on tooltips. So for example, if you also want to see the location, let me drag it here. So now you see that in the done, it is divided by location also. So for New York, you see there are two projects. In San Francisco, completed are two, and in Seattle there is one. Let's also change the title here of this. Make it total projects. Now let's see how we can further format it. This is becoming very messy, so we will just remove the details here, and I'll go in my format your visuals. These are the options we have in the legends. Now these are the legends. Do you want to keep them or do you want to remove them? What is the position? Top left, or you can have top left stacked. So this is also the stacked option is also good. In the text, you can define how you want the text. The color, for example, let's make it black and make it a bit bold. And the title, if you want to keep it or you want to remove it, let's remove the title. Now that's our legends. In the slices, you can change the color if you want. For example, if you want to change, let's get a green for done. So let me click here and we can a darker shade of green. On track can be this. In progress can also be a different shade of yellow. On hold we can keep as pink, and delayed we can say we can add a red color to it. Now these are the colors we have added to our slices. In the details label, or you can see that the completed done are 6 and it's 33%, but you can change how this is, what tables you want. So for example, here you have the value category. So it will just show the category. You can have data value, you can have percentage of total, or you can have more than one category and data value. This is what I personally prefer, but you can change or you can add whichever one you like. You can also add all details label and it will look like this. And the values, just like we did with this legends, you can change. You can make it a bit bold, or you can change the color. Display units also you can set if you want to. And this is how you can do the details label. You can change the rotation how you like it. In the generals, this is how you can format any general Power BI chart. So I will just remove the title, and properties you can change the height. I'll keep it as it is. In the effects, you can add a background. Let's add this, maybe a little lighter. It's the same. Okay, just leave it as it is. You can add a visual border. You can add shadow. Also, in the data format, you can set the data format if you want. You can define the format here, text or how it is, header icons, tooltips, and all text. So this is very simple and easy to create, and this is how you can create a donut chart in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.